morning Monday. Ayan, may naka-costume sila Irela ngayon for this Monday. So, meron silang event sa school. Meron pa silang parade yata. Mini parade lang naman. Tapos, kailangan na suot nila ay storybook princesses. Or storybook character princess. So, she's wearing a, Missy? Sleeping Beauty dress.
My tita said Cinderella.
Yeah. Sleeping Beauty yan.
Sabi niya eh.
Yeah. It's a sunny day. Let's all have a great week ahead. God bless us all. God bless us all. Bye. Paddle.